Good afternoon, everyone. There is still 1 minute. We'll wait other colleagues to join.
And the format will be, I will first introduce the guest. This is now
Yes, sir.
become a weekly feature with us every Saturday.
Okay.
To welcome the new colleagues. Then we have added Felicity, those who have completed 25 years, and we allow them to speak for 3 minutes.
Wonderful.
Because we have 31 actually, people who have can start.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. We are here again for ATC Spotlight. The agenda for today is we are going to congratulate our colleagues of Delhi branch who have completed more than 5 years in our ATC family. So let's everybody welcome them and congratulate them in our ATC family with warm gesture. Now, Shantanu sir and Mr. Anirudh sir will take over it. So Anirudh, over to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
जैसे हमने देखा है, आपण आपल्या सगळ्या कार्यक्रमांना कोणीतरी एक आपला वेल विशर गेस्ट म्हणून बोलवतो. And today also we are fortunate to have guests, and we are also fortunate to have one of alumni of ATC. We invite our alumni also for all our events. So starting from right is Arun Kumar.
Namaskar.
He is currently president of Amtoy, and you can see who is the boss over here. And that's what he does all the time in the committee meetings.
Not true.
And another common thing which of us have is on legal matters, taxation matters of policies of running the association. Somehow two of us think so much alike and share so much view that one of us becomes redundant. In most cases, where we even take extreme view भी जब हमारे रहते हैं, टोकाची भूमिका असते आमची, त्याही वेळेला एकमत असतं आमचं. इतकं जास्त आमच्या विचारसरणीत साम्य आहे. एवढंच आहे, तो बॉस सारखा वागतो, मी त्याचं ऑनर करतो रिक्वेस्ट.
I am not sure what he said, but it is not true.
अच्छा, next is our own captain, better known as Captain, but Captain Bagga, Captain Kapil Bagga. I think you did come to this office.
No, I didn't.
Our foundation of Delhi office was set by Captain Bagga very strongly, very ably, and that is why we have become a strong office. Delhi is a very strong office. So that credit goes to him, and so I'm so happy. And I think he came on just a short invitation, unless Anirudh had already spoken with him. Just yesterday, I met him for the event, exim event is, and I said, if you come, we'll be happy, and don't give excuse of a short notice. And same in case of Arun, and then Devpal. Devpal is vice president of Amtoy, and he is NBOCC. Arun's business model and our business model is again same: custom broker, freight forwarder, multiple offices. And Arun is not involved in day-to-day, and that's why perhaps his company is doing better. Like me, like I don't involve in day-to-day, whereas Devpal is hands-on, I saw, and he is representing NBOCC. So the reason we are honoring him is we expect he will get good rates from all NBOCCs and likes for us and strengthen our office. So that's the reason of calling you Devpal. And before we start, felicitation, just 2-minute remarks by all of you, 1 or 2 minutes.
So, namaskar to everybody. And Shantanu sir is very kind on some places and very harsh on some others. Your boss is also my boss. So I've also been trained by him, and I've worked under him for 5 years, almost 5 years now. So I have also had the privilege of working with him and learning so much. I believe that the staff at ATC would have learned much more. You guys have been with him for a much longer time, and it is a university. You will not find this education anywhere, and that is the view myself and Dave we both share, because we have both been fortunate to do that. So I would say make the best of it. That's the way it has to be, and learning never stops. It's a journey. It will continue. So there is no point of time where we can say that I know things. So I would like to know things is the right way to go, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
See, as we say, joys multiply when people share it, and that's why we are lucky that our industry colleagues are with us, our ex-colleagues are with us. And as Arun said, this business is such that you need curiosity of a child, and that keeps you young also, because there is so much to do, so much to learn every day. You are fresh every day, and there is so much to learn. Captain,
Namaskar. Very nice to be back.
हिंदी बोलोगे तो अच्छा लगता है।
हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने हमें बुलाया, और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम ATC में वापस आए। बहुत अभी यहाँ पे पुराने कुलीग भी मिल गए, कई बहुत अच्छे हैं कि इतना तो बहुत साल हो गए छोड़े हुए हमें, तो ये लोग का तो 15-20 साल होने को आया है। एंड इट इज बहुत अच्छा है कि ATC ने इतना तरक्की किया है हमारे जाने के बाद, कि हमने मेहनत किया, सेटल किया जैसे आपने बोला, और मतलब इट इज लाइक नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग जो यहाँ आता है मिलके सबसे, और ये ऑफिस में आके। तो और थैंक यू सो मच कहूँगा कि आपने हमें मौका दिया था। और हमने मिलके ही स्टार्ट की थी ATC। अभी एक दिन में तो नहीं हुई थी, पर बहुत टाइम लगा था। तो उसके बाद देखिए आप कहाँ पे हैं, इट्स वेरी नाइस। एंड congratulations to all the people who have been here, and congratulations to ATC for all the success, and wishing them success for the future. Thank you.
Devpal is the vice president of Amtoy, and he comes from shipping line backgrounds. He has strengthened our Kolkata operation, and he is going to find good people for us in Kolkata as well as Delhi. Devpal is a NVOCC, so little bit different from our background, or Arun's and our background. And his speciality is you can't anger him. It's at least I have not been able to. He is a cool customer, never gets angry, never gets perturbed, and he can laugh away anything. So Devpal, please.
Namaskar everyone. It's actually a great privilege to be here today.
हिंदी बोलो, सबको ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा।
तो कल शाम को जब हम मिले थे, शांतनु सर asked us to be here today. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज आप लोग के पुराने एम्प्लॉइज जो 25 साल से है, 5 साल से है और 10 ईयर से, उनको फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हो। इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, टू हैव पीपल फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन एक्चुअली टॉक्स अबाउट द कंपनीज वैल्यूज, और कंपनी कितनी अच्छी तरह से देखभाल करते, उसकी एक एग्जाम्पल हो जाता है। और इट इज सो नाइस टू सी दैट दिस इज समथिंग हर वीक आप लोग करते हो ऐसे स्पॉटलाइट, एंड इट क्रिएट्स सो मच ऑफ गुड बैलेंस बिटवीन द एम्प्लॉइज एंड द मैनेजमेंट। बहुत अच्छा लगा। और बिसाइड्स बीइंग हियर फॉर दिस फंक्शन, एक चीज़ तो बोलना बहुत जरूरी है। मैं एसोसिएशन के काम वगैरह मैं नहीं जानता था। It is only Shantanu sir who brought us. He is our mentor. हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया गया इस last 5 years of association as Amtoy. We have learned. I probably never got scared of my professors or teachers in college as much as I was scared when I always interacted with Shantanu sir.
I would also add something once he completes.
But the takeaway is everything that he has told us, given us guidance, has worked good for us and for the association at large. We've got that confidence to go ahead and do things. Or I'm envious of all of you to have such a great leader amongst you to teach you all. And as long as we are part of the association, we'll continue to learn from him. And I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So as I said, I'll take a minute just after he completes. So this is a story I think you also don't know, but it is a hilarious one, so I wanted to share. Dave is here. ये दोबारा आ रहे हैं. एक बार पहले आ चुके हैं. मैं पहली बार आ रहा हूँ. तो जो पिछली बार सर आए थे, सर ने बोला कि मेरे ऑफिस में मिल लेना. तो देव उनसे मिलने गए थे. आई वाज मतलब कहीं मैं ऑक्यूपाइड था, नहीं आ पाया था. तो देव का मेरे पास कॉल आता है कि शांतनु सर के ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, क्या याद करके जाऊँ. सर नमस्कार.
Yeah, Rama, come. You came right on time.
You all come formally, just come
No,
late.
thank you.
तो अभी रामकृष्ण रामा सर जिसको हम बोलते हैं has just joined us. Welcome Rama sir. We were just sharing. I was just sharing a small funny incident that happened, which sir also doesn't know, but he should know. Dave is laughing already. तो हमारे देव बाबू ने हमें कॉल किया मॉर्निंग की, सर के ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, क्या तैयारी करके जाऊँ. क्या तैयारी मतलब जस्ट ऐसे ही जाओ मिलो, सर ने बोला है तो मिल लो एक बार. तो भाई ने कहा ठीक है, एंड ही केम हियर. सर से मुलाकात हुई, फिर बातें हुई एंड सर लेफ्ट. तो भाई का फोन आता है उसके बाद, यार मैं तो पर्चियां बना के ले गया था पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट लिख के, और सर ने तो सिलेबस में कुछ पूछा ही नहीं. मैं हाथ उसके पागल हो गया. मैं जब तूने वाकई पर्ची बनाई थी, कह रहा सीरियसली बॉस मैंने पर्चियां बनाई थी उसकी. तो मैंने सोचा कि आप लोग से शेयर करूं, ये बहुत फनी चीज थी. आपको भी नहीं पता था ना सर?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. We have another friend of ours and perhaps oldest friend. Know him for his company even longer. Know him for 20 years, and we have been interacting with his company in Chennai. Chennai is branch. Their headquarters is Delhi. Though he's a Tamil and Andhra mix. I think he's Tamil Brahmin from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, wherever. But his role has been critical in Amtoy and Triple FI on GST. None of the actions or decisions or interpretations we do on GST is without Rama's involvement. और हमारा दोस्ती इतना ज्यादा है कि हम जब भी मिलते हैं तो कोई बहस ज्यादा ही करते हैं, झगड़ा करते हैं.
झगड़ा नहीं करते, बहस जरूर.
और कोई पूछा कि रामा को एक पूछा, आई एम टेलिंग रियल इंसिडेंट, क्या चल रहा है तुम दोनों. They said, नहीं, we are arguing over nothing. मतलब नहीं होगा तो भी हम बहस करते हैं. So Rama here a real good teacher. I know him as a family. Know his wife, daughter, son, and particularly fond of his daughter, who is doing extremely well, and she makes us proud. And that's how we are proud of our community, because we have good people with good families associated with us. Rama, this is event for feliciting people who are with us from 5 years to 25 years plus. So share 2 minutes in Hindi preferably. It is better for my colleague, and if you speak in Marathi, even better.
Marathi Kannada. Thanks, Shantanu. We have been together, not only the business, as Shantanu said, as a family as well. But more importantly, whenever we meet, whether Shantanu or now latest Mihir. Mihir is of my age. Probably I am Mihir's age, whatever it is. So whenever we talk, we don't talk about anything other than family. So that itself shows that how close we are. I must say that the prodigy comes from the forefathers. Okay? So I think Mihir has taken over his father. I do not know about the grandfather, but in terms of knowledge and analysis is very good. I think that is very good. अच्छा मेरे को हिंदी में बोलने के लिए बोला इन्होंने मेरे को बताया कि मैं तमिलियन हूँ और आंध्रा में पैदा हुआ हूँ whatever it is. मैं पैदा दिल्ली में हुआ हूँ और तमिलियन नहीं हूँ. Origin is from Andhra. 700 years before my family settled in Tamil Nadu. मैं दिल्ली पैदाइश हूँ. मैं सेकंड जनरेशन हूँ. मेरे बच्चे तीसरे जनरेशन है. I have a grandsons who are the fourth generation. So आपने जो भी समझना है, मैं दिल्ली का हूँ, आंध्रा का हूँ या कुछ भी समझना समझ सकते हैं, मगर मैं अच्छा इंसान हूँ, मैं अपने आप को कह सकता हूँ.
और एक रामा की इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि हम कोडाई गए थे, तो कोडाई में एक ऑब्जर्वेटरी है और उसको उसके फैमिली मेंबर को भी ऑब्जर्वेटरी देखना था. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हो गया कि ऑब्जर्वेटरी देखने मिलेगी. काफी पुरानी ऑब्जर्वेटरी थी. एंड हिज फादर और
माय मदर्स ग्रैंडफादर was the first observatory officer in कोडाईकनाल ऑब्जर्वेटरी. उनका हमने पुराना रिकॉर्ड वगैरह लिया, उसका फोटोग्राफ्स वगैरह लिया. अभी चेरिश दैट. एंड माय मदर्स यंगर डेज, जितना स्कूल डेज में कभी जाते थे छुट्टियों के दिन में, वो कोडाईकनाल ही जाते थे. उस टाइम में जब दिल्ली में मम्मी पढ़ती थी तो 6 महीने दिल्ली में स्कूल होता था और 6 महीने शिमला में स्कूल होता था. तो उस टाइम की बात थी जब गांव जाते थे. मदुरई वाज हर होम टाउन. दैट इज माय ग्रैंडफादर वाज इन मदुरई. सो वहां से कोडाईकनाल इट इज 5 hours 4.5 hours run. तो वहां जाते थे तो ऑब्जर्वेटरी में घुमाने ले जाते थे. एंड ऑब्जर्वेटरी अगर किसी ने देखा नहीं तो जाके देखे. मेरे ख्याल से वो आप स्विट्जरलैंड ना जाइए कोई बात नहीं, मगर कोडाईकनाल का ऑब्जर्वेटरी देखिए. उधर इतनी ग्रीनरी है, इधर इतना फ्लोरा और फौना है, बहुत बढ़िया है वहाँ पर.
लेकिन हम दिखते तो आसमान दिखते.
हाँ, that is what it is. So,
but वहाँ का रामा, the speciality was we were passionate, more passionate than the people working there.
correct.
I was more, I would say, impassioned by the observatory than people who actually work there. So that's the role of passion in work.
Probably वो इतना गैलेक्सीज के बारे में मुझे नहीं पता था जितना मिहिर और शांतनु के बीच में आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ है. मैं बहस नहीं कहूँगा.
Discussion.
हाँ, okay, discussion हुआ. उससे we were all enthralled, enriched, and it was very good. I think more than anything, एक अपने colleagues को अपना घर का समझना, उतने प्यार से डांटना और उतने प्यार से रखना, दोनों शांतनु का पैशन है. ऑल द वे शांतनु.
Thank you. अपना प्रोग्राम थोड़ा लंबा चलेगा तो मैं सबको विनती करूंगा कि आखिर तक रुको, because we are blessed that we have our friends sharing our joy, and what we are actually is lot of influence of these people. Like our interpretations of GST are also driven by Arun and Rama, and we have changed our understanding and we have influenced the chart. Aarti in particular has influenced the chart by rectifying certain things. So that is how we become an ecosystem and a powerful ecosystem. So with this, I think we can start. I will start in the order in which it's given. I think can we have the frames and envelopes here?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ से start करो, लवनीश. Thank you.
All the best.
So the next is Nandan Kumar. Please come.
नहीं, नहीं,
चलो ना।
Thank you. All the best. अरे अरुण जी आप अच्छे लग रहे हो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन
नहीं आएगा अभी दो तो देना बाद में लेके
And Sakit Ranveer Singh. Please come.
नहीं
तीन करेंगे
Sakyan Kumar, please.
आप ये ले रहे हैं वो भी अच्छी बात है। इनिशिएटिव वॉलंटियर करने का उससे काफी सीखते हैं हम लोग।
Now Pawan Kumar Tiwari, please.
हो गया चलो।
एक फोटो खींचने यहाँ से कैमरा नहीं आ रहा है थोड़ा क्लोज हो ये सर
जल्दी नजदीक आ जाओ,
आप
थोड़े इधर आ जाओ नजदीक रामा।
यस
But you also stand close. It looks better in.
So this is my turn now. Thanks for receiving from my boss. Thank you.
राजा
नेक्स्ट
Raja.
You stand close. It looks much better in photo if you are.
इधर आओ ना अरुण जी
एक फ्रेम के लिए दिक्कत हो
ऐसे नहीं वो कंप्यूटर अपने आप adjust करते हैं ये
तो सामने देखिए यस
So Charan Pal. Charan Pal आइए. So next one is Mukesh Jha.
ये भी कंप्यूटर।
उमापति.
पीछे लिया करो आप उधर कैमरे में थोड़ा
ऑफिस में सबसे लगते
Next is Pankaj Singh.
पीछे बुलाना
Amit Kumar Pathak.
सबको थैंक यू नहीं बोल
And finally Sanjay Kumar. Sanjay, yeah.
यस
all the best. See, you would have observed that as president, I never signed checks in contract. Triple effect कभी नहीं, यहाँ भी मैं कभी sign नहीं करता।
checks not that value. The value adds value.
हो गए सारे? Very good.
एक ग्रुप फोटो हो जाएगा
हाँ, एक ग्रुप फोटो लेंगे।
इधर से लेनी पड़ेगा सर।
हाँ थोड़ा सा इधर, हाँ बस इधर से
ग्रुप फोटो हम ले रहे हैं, तब तक किसी को 2 वर्ड्स बोलने हैं तो बोलो, अदरवाइज कविता यू कैन रैप अप। एनीबडी, किसी को कोणाला 2 शब्द बोलायचे तर बोला, नाहीतर आपण इथे आम्ही ग्रुप फोटो घेऊ आणि रॅप अप करू।
फोटो में वो आप तो रह ही गए।
आ रहा हूँ सर।
तुम्ही
फोटो
कभी आ जाओ।
दोनों आ जाओ, कोई नहीं ये लेके कोई लेके दे दो।
आ जाओ।
अपना से बड़ा सेल्फी आता नहीं है।
थैंक यू सर।
Okay.
You can
Thank
wrap
you,
up.
everyone.
Thank
Thank you, everyone. And special thanks to employee team. It was a great pleasure to have you here in our ATC family. Keep guiding and advising us same way. Thank you very much for your presence. It was a lovely day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.